Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Telegram group limit reached very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on this reputable article, so here is how to fix Telegram limit exceeded. So Telegram is a messaging platform, you know that already. So what does error mean and how it can be fixed using an iPhone? So if you have recently deleted your Telegram account multiple times, it can cause the limit exceeded error on iPhone. This error restricts access to your Telegram account for a certain period of time. Unfortunately, there's no specific solution for this error. The error will eventually disappear on its own after some time, which could range from days to weeks. So your only option is to wait. Alright, so it's the same on an Android phone as well. So yeah guys, you just have to wait and see if it fixes your problem. Alternatively, you can just go to Google and search for Telegram support, and you can contact their support and ask them to fix your problem. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.